Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Siti Hajar, Binti Nasari. Today I'll be presenting an issue that affects many of nations who rely on public transports, which is inadequate parking facilities near MRT station. Why parking near MRT matters. Malaysia's MRT systems was designed to ease traffic and encourage public transport use in KL. However, stations like Taman Mida, Kota Damansara lack sufficient parking, making it hard for distant commuters. As a result, many still drive to work, defeating the system's main purpose. So there are several key challenges that cause this issue. First is poor planning during the project designs. The need for parking and ride facilities was underestimated. Second, limited land allocation. Some stations were built in dense urban area where no land was reserved for parking. Third is a coordination issue between MRT corporations, local councils such as DBKL and MTBJ, and private developer. And lastly, stakeholder neglect, which is the real needs of daily commuter were not fully considered during the early project stages. These weaknesses show that there was a lack integrations between scope management and stakeholder management during project planning. The lack of proper parking facilities lead to visible problems, which is many commuters are forced to park along road shoulder or in nearby residential area, which causes illegal parking and traffic congestions every day. According to MRT Corp 2023, only 25 out of 31 Kajang Line station have parking, which is filled up before 8 a.m. Commuter from Serdang, Sungai Buloh, and Cheras says that MRT is not practical for working people, affecting user satisfactions and the system's success. So to address this issue, several project management-based solutions can be proposed. First, apply integrated project planning, include park and ride facilities as a mandatory part of early design. Second, develop public-private partnership by collaborating with nearby mall or property developer to provide shared parking. Third, use smart parking systems, mobile apps that show real-time parking availability and allow online payment. Fourth is improve last mile connectivity through feeder buses, bicycles, or scooters for commuters living within 3 to 5 kilometers. And finally, ensure stakeholder engagement by conducting survey with local residents and users before constructions. So this action actually will help create more commuter friendly and efficient MRT systems in Malaysia. For example, Singapore introduced a park and ride schemes with integrated feeder buses, increasing ridership by about 20%. Japan also focused on last mile connectivity instead of large car park. They use bicycle and buses effectively. For Australia, they also implement smart parking systems that reduce illegal parking by 35%. The UK built park and ride hubs outside city area to reduce inner city traffic. Meanwhile, South Korea develops underground and shared parking through the collaboration with a private developer. All these examples actually show how project management strategies such as risk management and stakeholder collaboration and integrated planning can turn infrastructure problems into successful solution. First is stakeholder management theory, or in short form is PMBOK, which emphasize early identifications of user needs to prevent dissatisfaction. Second is scope management, which help to ensure that parking facilities are clearly defined as part of the project deliverable. Third is sustainable urban mobility planning, or known as SUMP, which encourage integration transportations with land use and environmental planning. By applying these best practices, the MRT project can be more user-centered and sustainable in the long term. To summarize, a successful transport project is not just about building green line, it is about managing every detail from designing to daily user experience. So I think that's all for me. Thank you.